Okay guys, it's Swiss Moist Delani Python Dinada Sana. You're welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to learn how we can send email by using Python with a case study Gmail. So here we are going to send an email by using Gmail. So that's it. I've written the source code which will actually help us to send the email. So there are two things you actually need to consider. First of all, make sure that your Gmail account has two-factor authentication enabled. After enabling your two-factor authentication, there is this link, okay? I may actually maximize for you, okay? So what you can do, with this link, you can actually paste it like this. Okay, so what it will actually do here, you will create an app name. Okay, let me say Fuba, right? Then create, right? So this is the password which I need to use when I'm sending an email by using SMTP. As I've said that this is case study for Gmail, but I'm very sure that for your local or your custom mail server, you will actually need SMTP port, SMTP domain, SMTP username, and SMTP password. So things are almost the same. So I'm actually going to copy this and I'm pasting it here. That's cool. Okay, so here we can say done. We are done. So we are actually going to send this email. So the sender is root tester, okay, 207. This is email. We have created an app and the app password, and we are going to send this email to mosesnoel02@gmail.com. So here SMTP port is 587, and this is SMTP domain. So this is a message, email content. Okay, here there is subject, here there is a body, and so on. So here we try out to log in, and by using TLS send the email. Okay, that's clear. I think so far so good. Let us try out to run this script and see if we can send the email by using Python. That's cool. You can see email sent is successful. And when I get here on Moses Noel 02, you can see root tester sending email using Python, and you can see, yes, that's cool. So this is actually how you can send SMTP. How you can send email by using Python. Where can you use this concept? You may actually have Django or Flask web application which actually needs to send notification to clients. So by using this simple piece of code, it will enable you to automate sending of email. You may have your Python script running on a cron job. As you ever know that we have Django clone, so you can have this and it will actually maybe based on the specific time, it select username and select the message content and send the email to client. So this is one of perfect automation you can do. How you can be sending, how you can automate sending of email to clients by using Python. So this is actually has a lot of things to do. You can use this on register to send the initial login password for the user who have successfully registered. Okay, so you may actually figure out how you can use this on your own environment. Yeah, that's cool. Thanks so much. I think this sum up the end of this session on how you can send the email by using Python. So don't forget to like, put comment, share, and subscribe. So before I close up this session, okay, let me thank you in 8 international different language with Indian added to the list. So I'm summing up 9 international language. Okay, last time I met with a certain lady, okay, an Indian lady, and she actually taught me how to say thanks in Indian. Okay, so asante sana, thank you very much, muchas gracias, muito obrigado, merci beaucoup, kamza hamida, aita danke, tenalda. I think in Indian they say tenava. I do apologize if I've mistaken how to pronounce it. Thank you in Indian, but thank you so much. I hope to see you in the next session. Thank you. Goodbye.